So this is the heel we are going to be using for this project. So this is going to be the part 1 of this video. We are going to be wrapping this heel. So firstly, let's remove the cover. So after removing the cover, place the heel on your cardboard paper and then begin to trace it. Once you trace, you turn. Follow the line on both sides. And as you are tracing it on the cardboard paper, you are turning it. So you continue like that. Continue turning it and then tracing the both sides till you get to the other end. So with that, we are going to get the pattern we are going to use to cut out the leather that we are going to use to wrap the heel. So this is the end here. So we are going to be adding some allowance, just about ½ inch allowance around the original trace. That's the original diagram. So we're going to be adding about ½ inch round. And then after that, we are going to be cutting it into shape. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just add about ½ inch round the original trace, the original drawing. And after cutting it into shape, then you use it to mark out your leather. So after marking out your leather, fold it into 2 equal parts to locate the center, and then use your biro to mark the center of the pattern. You can see the center here. So it is very important. So right now we are applying gum on the heel and also on the pattern. So when the gum must have dried, place the heel at the center of the pattern. Make sure it corresponds on the sides, on the under, and also at the top. Just to make sure the heel is at the center of the pattern. And then you wrap it up. After that, use your scissors to trim down some excesses. So this part you're going to watch closely to see what I'm going to be doing here, because you're going to be needing a lot of calculations and then diplomacy. So this is where the both of them meets at the center, and then we are going to cut off the excess. So at this point, after cutting off the excess, I'm going to be folding the edge inside, the both side of it. I'm going to be folding the edge inside so that it will have a very nice finishing look. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I have folded one side. You can see that. So if you can see it, I have folded it in, and then I have lapped it to the heel. So I'm going to do the same on the other edge. And this time I'm going to make sure I'm folding it where it is going to correspond with the first one. So I have done that. I think I have to still adjust it a bit. So this is where you need a lot of tactics. So because if you don't do this, it is not going to look very nice. So let me adjust it the more. I think I've gotten it now. So I hope you can see that. So you see the both are on the same line without overlapping each other. See that? You can see it. So that is that. The next thing is we're going to apply gum here and also here. And after that, you gradually do your folding. So the next thing, we are going to cut out the hole for the cover. So hope you can see that. Then you tap your hammer here to make sure it laps properly, so that when you cover the cup, it is going to lap. So you cover it, then tap your hammer on the three angles, just gradually, so that you don't break the cover. And with that, we are done with the step. So this is what we have. Like I said, this is the part 1 of this video. The part 2 is coming up very soon. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get update as soon as the next video drops. Feel free to drop your question in the comments section. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and see you in our next video.